Okay, to those Excel fans, I just want to show you a new feature that I found kind of by accident. I was installing a new instance of Excel on my new computer. I got a new MacBook Pro here, the M4, and which is besides the point, but Excel gave me a notification that there were two new features. They have GroupBy, which is something that SQL developers and SQL users are familiar with, or pandas. You might use that in pandas. And pivot by, and we've done variations of these with, using pivot tables, things like that. But to be able to do that right in the worksheet with the data, just with a command, is a little different. And Excel is becoming more and more powerful. The charting capabilities are more powerful, and a lot of people are snobs towards Excel these days because there are more sophisticated ways to do analysis, Jupyter notebooks and things like that. But I do want to go over the GroupBy feature, and then maybe I'll do pivot by in a different video. But real quick, so I have a spreadsheet here of some sales summaries based on segments, and this is Excel. This is in Microsoft practice file. So I just downloaded something quick because I didn't want to use any proprietary data or anything. But okay, so GroupBy is already in there. If you have a 365 version, it's already going to be in your software. And then so we choose the row fields, and so the naming is a little weird because it says row fields. So it would lead some people to believe that they're using actual row fields. But row fields is a kind of a code way of saying an array. And the array we're going to use here is going to be, this is what we're grouping by. So we're going to group by segment, which makes the most sense here. We want to know the sales aggregation for each individual segment. So we're choosing to group by segment. And then we're going to choose the values. And it probably makes sense to choose profit. So if there are gross sales, there's a lot of other things, but we're going to use profit. And then you can choose which one you want to group by, which value you want to aggregate, sum, percentage of, average, those things. But I'm going to choose sum. So we just want to get the total sum of the profits for each of these segments. And I'm going to add the parentheses to close that and hit enter. And if you see here, it actually groups them. Oops, let me see here. There we go. Just a little. Well, it won't let me open this up a little bit, but that's what I get for using Excel on a Mac. But sometimes it gives you. There it is. So it was allowing me to open it up, and for some reason I got it at 0. It must be some blank. There may be some blanks in here somewhere, or some blank profit values somewhere, which is why I got a 0 here. But nevertheless, it does show us these values grouped by those individual segments, aggregating sales, and that's it. So just wanted to show you the group by function real quick. I thought it was pretty cool, and I wanted to do a video on it. So thanks for watching it, and I will talk to you later. Bye.